Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your DJI mic to your Osmo Pocket 3. So if you're like me and you recently got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the Creator Bundle, this is going to include the DJI mic that you see right over here. And so in order to connect the two together, you're going to go ahead and turn on your Osmo Pocket 3. You're going to swipe down and then you're going to click on this option here. Then you're going to click on wireless mic and then TX stands for transmitter. You're going to click on transmitter 1, and then afterwards, you're going to power on your DJI mic. So the power button is right over here. So once you power it on, you should actually go ahead and feel it vibrate. And then you're going to go ahead and see that it has a blue light, which is currently blinking. And then afterwards, you're going to go ahead and hold the Bluetooth button as it starts to blink. And so what we're waiting for is it to connect. And there you have it, DJI Osmo Audio connected. The battery life is at 80%. Click on confirm. And in order to confirm that it's actually working, now you're going to see an audio meter on the top hand side. So anytime that you talk to this, you should see the audio meter kind of go back and forth. In addition, you're going to see a solid blue light to confirm that it's connected to your Osmo Pocket 3. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your DJI mic to your Osmo Pocket 3. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.